But when you're going through a setback and you want to see the growth, my dear, I said you want to see the growth, you have to do what you have to do. You're the queen. You're the queen. You're the queen. Okay? Okay. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am JC if you are new here, from Just Lost JC here. Oh, whatever. Welcome back, guys. I'm so excited. So you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing my updated wash routine. Now, I have made little videos in sections and clips about little elements throughout my wash day, but I wanted to make a consolidated video showing my whole wash day routine from start to finish. Just the wash day, not the after wash day routine. That'll be something different. But yeah, just so if anyone wanted to know the complete routine, the order in which I do all the things, this is that video. The other videos for more specific information will be linked in the cards throughout this video, so keep your eye out for that if there's anything specific that you would like to know more about and in more detail. Just a brief recapitulation, okay, for those that are new here, I have been on a hair journey. A 6-month hair journey was the original timeline, and we're coming up to the end of the 6 months, which I'm so excited about because thriving, when I say thriving, I mean thriving with a capital T, okay? I was on a 6-month hair journey, and the reason for that is because I had a setback. I had some breakage, so I used a product that had excess glycerin, gave me glycerin overload. I'll of course link that video if you want some more details about that. And unfortunately, it caused my hair to break, and so I decided to go on a whole protective styling 6-month journey. This was a wash day. This is the new and updated wash day that I developed and I started implementing during this hair growth journey because I wanted to maximize the growth. Also, we're in quarantine, so I figured this is a perfect time to really focus on getting my hair back to where it needs to be. So that is the intro. Let's get into it. The first part of my wash day routine, of course, is the deep conditioning. That has not changed. The thing that has changed is that I now wash my hair in twists, which is something that I didn't do before I started this 6-month hair journey. So, in order for me to get my conditioner through my twist, what I like to do is use my deep conditioner, wet my section and each section of my hair, and squeeze the conditioner onto my hair and onto the twist. Squeeze it so it gets through as much as possible and it soaks in as much as possible, because you really want the hair to be nice and soft. So this is a deep condition like anyone else does a deep conditioning. I love using my Eden Body Works Split End Repair Mask, the Almond Marshmallow line. This stuff really seems to work for me. And I've only used that for the whole 6 months that I've been doing this because I just want to use the same product. I don't want any sort of matting or any complications. And when I used this the first time and I liked the way it felt when I untwisted my hair, I felt that it was pretty easy to detangle. I said, let me just stick with this because I don't want to go experimenting with other things when my hair is in twists, because I do not want to have any matting. I don't want any locks forming. So let me just stick with what I know works in twists, which is this. Love it. The next step is my hot oil treatment. This is something that I used to do in the past that I've implemented again because I needed some rapid hair growth, and of course because of the setback, I'm doing what I can and what I know works and has worked for me in the past. So I reintroduced the hot oil treatment to my hair. So what I like to do is heat up my hot oil in some water. As you can see, it's in a plastic container, so I use hot water to kind of get the hot oil going so I can use it on my hair. When it is ready, I put it on my scalp and massage it in. This to me really works. The massaging step really works. So in this clip you can see that I'm using my DIY Ayurvedic oil mix. I will of course have that linked in the cards. Love this oil mix. I really like it for hot oil treatments because I feel like a lot of the ingredients in there are really great when they penetrate the pores on the scalp. So of course I love to use that. I have also used, and you can also use, my own personal coffee bean growth oil. There's an oil that I know, love, also includes amla, which is something that is very effective on the scalp and is very effective when it's heated up, and it can really penetrate into the pores. Don't watch how dirty the bottle is. That's my own personal stash. You see me? But I am selling, so of course if you buy one, it will look new and pristine. Love it. So of course after that's on the scalp and all tucked away, I like to add a plastic cap and sit for 30 minutes at least. Of course it could be more, but definitely 30 minutes at least. This really helps it penetrate not only the deep conditioner into the hair, but also, my dear, the hot oil into the scalp. You really need it to marinate and do something delicious, something exquisite, okay? The next step after this is me washing my hair. This step is highly focused on the scalp, especially while my hair is in twists. I'm not trying to ruffle my hair around. I'm not trying to ruffle any feathers or make it do crinkum crankum, because of course I need these twists to be untwisted and not have a lot of tangles. So I really focus this step on the scalp. I'm going in there applying my co-wash conditioner directly to my scalp, focusing on that, massaging that, and trying to get as much dirt and buildup off my hair, or off my scalp rather, as possible. I don't really focus on the length of my hair. I squeeze the water through the length of my hair and let the run off of the co-wash conditioner do its thing on the length of my hair. So the co-wash conditioner that I like using is As I Am Coconut Co-Wash Conditioner. You guys know I love this stuff. It gets my scalp clean without being squeaky clean. It gets my scalp feeling fresh and replenished without my hair feeling stripped like a lot of shampoos have done in the past. Okay, so the next step that I love to do is my tea rinse. Me personally, I do a green tea rinse. I will have it linked in the cards. My video on the green tea rinse basically explains why I chose green tea versus black tea, because I have a specific reason. So I'm going to have that linked above. So what I do is I like to prep my tea while I am deep conditioning my hair. So I boil the water and have the tea steeping while I'm deep conditioning my hair, doing the hot oil treatment, letting it sit for 30 minutes, all that jazz. The tea is steeping and also coming to a temperature that is suitable for my scalp. So by the time I get in the shower and I finish with my co-wash and I'm doing the last step for me, which is this tea rinse, the tea is a perfect temperature. If anything, I have to warm it up a little bit using some water from the shower. So yes, I like to douse it onto my scalp. I like to massage it in, let it marinate, because I really want it to get in there to do its job of not having my hair shed. Now the reason it helps with shedding is because it's caffeinated. Green tea has a smaller amount of caffeine than other beverages, but it definitely has caffeine, and that's the main thing that stops it. Much like my roasted coffee bean oil that I'm selling, quick plug in, which is also a caffeinated scalp treatment. Another reason why I really like it. It really helps reduce shedding. And that is it. That is all. That's it. That's all. That is it. The next step will then be my whole after wash day care routine, which includes me retwisting my hair, adding some of my favorite products that give my hair moisture, and of course my oil and my scalp massage and treatment. All that is what I do after. This is the wash day, so I really hope you guys love it. I'm happy that I finally consolidated it, because me too, I was like, this thing is a bit confusing. It's a bit confusing because everything was everywhere. So I really wanted to put it together so it's easier for those that want to see the complete routine and then go to each step and break it down. That is it. It seems like it's a lot of steps, and maybe to some people it is, but when you're going through a setback and you want to see the growth, my dear, I said you want to see the growth. You have to do what you have to do, and all of these steps I have used in the past. I know they work for me. It's just that as my hair has leveled out in the past year and a half, I've been like, okay, I don't have to do too much. Like, we're rocking, we're cooling. And then I had the little setback. So I said, let me just go to my old faithfuls, the things that I know work for me. So that's why we're here. That's why you see this routine. This routine is one of the shortest wash day routines that I've ever had. It takes about 45 minutes tops. Of course, 30 minutes of those 45 minutes are includes me waiting and letting the deep conditioner marinate. Before, when I detangled my hair, it was a way longer process, so I have been enjoying this. I will be having an update video though for the 6 months to tell you guys if I'm thinking of continuing on this journey or if I'm just going to, I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I'm gonna have my hair out in that update video showing progress, or if I'm going to still be trying to continue and maintain this journey. I don't know, I'm still deciding, so I'm going to decide and you guys are gonna decide, and we're gonna show up and see what happens, see what goes on. But I'm so excited with the progress. This routine has been amazing for me, honestly. It came at a perfect time. The breakage wasn't the best, but if it had to happen, if it had to come, I'm glad it happened now. Okay, so no complaints on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, everyone that has been purchasing my oils, I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys again so much for everything. Let me know how your hair journeys are going, because listen, 6 months coming up. Y'all finna stay on the hair journey, or y'all finna give up? Y'all finna stay on it, or y'all think y'all got where you needed to be? Let me know. Also on the site, for those that have ordered, we now have reviews open, so if you guys could go in there and tell me some of the things that you've been telling me on these comments, if you could write it there, that would be amazing. You're the best. I say you're the queen. You're the queen. You're the queen. All right. Bye, guys. Mwah.